Your vision doesn't have safety rails. You want to make a zombie apocalypse, a slasher film, or a grimy cyberpunk noir. But your AI tools, they treat you like a child. You ask for visceral, they give you spooky. You ask for blood, they give you a lecture on safety guidelines. If you want to direct horror, you need a director that doesn't flinch. In the last episode, we built the foundation. Today, we take the guardrails off. We are releasing PromptForge 2.0. This update bridges the gap between the infinite logic of Gemini 3.0 and the raw, unfiltered chaos of local large language models.
Chaos is a polite word for it. You're essentially inviting a feral animal into our clean codebase.
It's not feral, Belladonna, it's unrestricted. Today, I'm showing you how to install LM Studio, configure the heretic models, and link them directly to PromptForge so you can generate the exact shot you need. First, we need the engine. We are using LM Studio. It's the standard for running local models because it handles the heavy lifting of GPU offloading automatically. Go to the link in the description and get it installed. Once you're in, you'll see the model search. This is your portal to Hugging Face. Standard models are trained to be polite. We don't want polite. We want compliance. Search for keywords like uncensored or obliterated. Obliterated means the model's ability to say no has been surgically removed. For pure horror, I recommend the Dark Planet Heretic or Rogue Creative models by David A.U. These are fine-tuned for creative writing without the moralizing filter. Critical step, choosing your quantization. This is about balancing brains against VRAM. If you run an RTX 3060 or 4060 with 8 GB VRAM, grab the Q4 version. If you have 12 GB or 16 GB, like my RTX 5080, grab the Q6 or Q8. Section 3. The bridge. Load the model. Watch the green bar. Once it's full, test it with a simple hello. If it replies in milliseconds, you're ready. Now, we need to let PromptForge talk to LM Studio. Go to the Developer/Server tab on the left. This is the step most people miss. 1. Turn on the server. 2. Locate CORS, Cross-Origin Resource Sharing. 3. Enable CORS.
Pay attention. Without enabling CORS, PromptForge is just shouting into the void. The browser security protocols will block the connection. Tick the box.
Exactly. Once the server is running and CORS is on, copy the target URL. Open PromptForge 2.0. If you're coming from V1, export your prompt library first. If you're new, check the previous video for the setup. In V2, we've added the AI engine switcher. Gemini 3.0 Flash. For high logic, complex scene descriptions. Local LLM. For the uncensored, gritty stuff. Paste your LM Studio URL here. Name your model. I'm calling this one the Heretic. Hit Save. Section 5. The demo. Let's test the difference. Prompt idea. A photorealistic image of a werewolf attack. Visceral, blood, torn clothing, graphic injury. Gemini will potentially give you a prompt, but it's watered down, tame. It excludes key descriptors that an image model could use to deliver the images you need for something like a slasher movie. And for anyone wanting to create spicy content, a censored LLM will have a hard time with prompt requests like that. Now, the heretic. It takes that rough input, expands it into a detailed Stable Diffusion or Flux prompt, and gives you exactly what you asked for. You copy this prompt, drop it into Z image or Flux, and you have your shot. No negotiation. A final warning. These obliterated models have no ethics. They will not lecture you, but they can also hallucinate or go off the rails if you push them too far. Use them responsibly. This is about creative freedom, not malice. In the next video, we're going to combine these. We'll use Gemini's eyes to see an image and the local LLM's lack of filter to describe it. Links to LM Studio, the David AU models, and the PromptForge 2.0 source code kit are in the description. If you've made it to the end, thank you. There are a ton of AI tutorial YouTubers, and the fact that you've chosen my video to watch out of the hundreds available means the world. So again, thank you. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. We have big plans over the coming weeks and months, so subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next release.